Good morning, students. Now, today is a new chapter, trigonometry. And trigonometry, first thing, what is the meaning of trigonometry? This is very tough chapter for students. And trigonometry is a very easy chapter. लेकिन जब समझ में आ जाए trigonometry, what is the meaning of trigonometry? That is this is the Greek word, right? And Greek word trigonometry को first thing is a tri plus gon plus metron. What is the meaning of tri? Then trigonometry, that means three, and that means meaning is three. Gon, that is the meaning of side, and metron, that is the meaning measure. Right? Trigonometry is the studies now relationship between the sides and angle of a triangle. Trigonometry कोई भी triangle की sides और angle पे depend on triangle. This is right triangle, and now this is the right triangle. Now the triangle ABC is the right triangle. You know, student, what is the right triangle? That is the one angle is 90 degree. Right? And there are three sides opposite to 90 degree. There are hypotenuse. Right? Opposite to 90 degree, that means there are hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse. And now is there any one angle? There are two angle A and angle C are acute angle. You know, student, acute angle, that means less than 90. Now the one acute angle, that is, this is angle C is the acute angle, and opposite to acute angle, now this is the right perpendicular, and left third side is base. Right? So now there are three sides opposite to angle degree and opposite to 90 degree, that is hypotenuse, right? Opposite to any one acute angle, that is perpendicular, and left third side is base. There are three sides: hypotenuse side opposite to angle A, side adjacent to angle A, right? So now angle C, right? So this is hypotenuse. This is adjacent side angle 2A, right? And this is opposite side of angle 2A, right? Now look here. There are 6 trigonometric functions and all are ratio, right? And 6 trigonometric function, one is the sine theta, right? Second is cos theta. Third is tan theta, right? There are 3 sine, cos, tan, right? And now the cosec is a reciprocal of sine. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine, right? Sec is the reciprocal of cos, and cot is the reciprocal of tan, right? There are 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, right? और इन सब का एक्सरसाइज 8.1, right? इन सब का रेशियो फाइंड करना हो, is a very simple formula कि there are 6 trigonometric functions: sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta, right? Cosec is the reciprocal of sine, right? Sec is the reciprocal of cos, cot is the reciprocal of tan. There are 6 trigonometric functions, but now find the ratio. So now look here, then ratio is a very easy method. In ratio को याद करने के ट्रिक पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोली, राइट? या हम ये भी याद कर सकते हैं, इस ट्रिक से भी याद कर सकते हैं कि पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. यानी कि आपको अगर साइन थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ साइन थीटा? इज द परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूस. What is the cos theta? Is the base upon hypotenuse. What is the tan theta? Is the perpendicular upon base. But now find is the cosec theta. Sine is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So cosec is the reciprocal, that means hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec, that is the hypotenuse upon base, and cot is the base upon perpendicular. तो स्टूडेंट एक राइट ट्रायंगल में एक रेशियो फाइंड करना है. First thing, this is a right triangle. What is the right triangle? One angle is 90 degree. There are 3 sides opposite to 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. Opposite to angle, that is perpendicular, one angle, acute angle, and left third side is base. Now, the second thing, there are 6 trigonometric function, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. और इन सब का रेशियो फाइंड करना है. देन इज अप्लाई पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले. इट्स अ वेरी इजी ट्रिक. यानी कि साइन थीटा इज अ परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट, आपके सामने मैंने एक राइट ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ किया. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री दैट मीन्स three sides, right? Gaunt, that means meaning of side, and matron angle measure. So now it's the first question of this exercise 8.1, right? Now question number first, then this is right triangle, and angle is at B, then A, B, C, this is a right triangle. AB is given 24 centimeter, BC is given 7 centimeter. Now find sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C, right? And same, this is the second question. There are triangle, this is 12, this is 13, right triangle PQR, and find tan P minus cot A. राइट. सो नाउ लुक हियर स्टूडेंट, आपके सामने मैंने 3 क्वेश्चंस लिखे हैं, राइट. एंड नाउ फाइंड द जगत, देन फाइंड नाउ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज राइट ट्रायंगल ABC. देयर आर 2 sides are given. AB is a 24, right? This is AB is given 24, and BC is given 7 centimeter. AB is given 24 centimeter and BC is given 7 centimeter. And now find the value of sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Now look here student, कोई भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. फर्स्ट थिंग, एक राइट ट्रायंगल की 2 sides आर गिवन. नाउ फाइंड थर्ड साइड, एंड थर्ड साइड फाइंड करने के लिए नाउ अप्लाइड पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. यू नो स्टूडेंट, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इज अ वेरी इजी, राइट? Using Pythagoras theorem. You know student, Pythagoras theorem is the hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. But opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. That means AC is hypotenuse. But now decide perpendicular and base is depend on acute angle. Supposedly, अगर आपके सामने angle C is up acute angle, so that means is the opposite to angle is the perpendicular is 24, and left third side is a base is 7, right? So now I apply Pythagoras theorem, apply Pythagoras and find the third side. So hypotenuse is AC square, perpendicular is AB, and base is BC. Now AB is given 24 centimeter and BC is given 7 centimeter. What is the square of 24? 5, 7, 6. What is the square of 7? 7 into 7, that is a 49. Now that is a 625. So AC square equals to 625. What are the value of AC? That is 25. Is a square root find क्या? Now is a plus minus 25, but length is always positive. So now AC is 25 centimeter. अब आपके सामने तीनों साइड गिवन है. AB is given, BC is given, और थर्ड साइड AC आपने पाइथागोरस से अप्लाई कर दी. एक राइट ट्रायंगल में एनी 2 sides आर गिवन एंड लेफ्ट थर्ड साइड अगर आपको फाइंड करनी है, देन अप्लाइड पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. ओके, नाउ फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन ए. अब मुझे साइन ए किया, सपोज करो मुझे साइन सी की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. अब साइन सी की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. यू नो स्टूडेंट, साइन सी, व्हाट इज द साइन थीटा? देन सी इज द एंगल, साइन थीटा इज द परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, राइट? perpendicular upon hypotenuse, angle C is the acute angle, right? That means perpendicular is given 24, right? So first thing now, find sin C, perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Now AB is given 24 centimeter and AC is given 25. Then 24 upon 25 is the value of sin C. Now find the value of cos C, right? Cos C की value find करनी. What is the cos theta? Then cos theta is the base upon hypotenuse. And base, what is the base? Base is 7 and hypotenuse is 25. Then 7 upon 25 is the value of cos C. But now find the value of sin A. अब अगर आपको sin A की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, इसका मतलब एंगल इज एक्यूट, तो दैट मीन्स दिस एंगल एक्यूट. अपोजिट टू 90 डिग्री इज हाइपोटेन्यूस, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट एंगल अगर अपोज एक्यूट एंगल है, तो एक्यूट एंगल के अपोजिट साइड परपेंडिकुलर, इसका मतलब 7 इज अ परपेंडिकुलर, BC is a perpendicular and AB is base. Just change, depend on acute angle. Sin theta का formula same perpendicular upon hypotenuse, but now the perpendicular is BC and base hypotenuse is AC. BC is 7 and AC is 25. So 7 upon 25, that is the value of sin A. Right student? Same. Cos A की value find करनी. A different value of sin A and value of sin C are different answer. Why? Since depend on acute angle. Supposedly find sin cos A find करना है. What is the cos A? Is a base upon hypotenuse. Right? And now the base is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Same, now find is a tan A. So tan A is a perpendicular upon base, right? And then perpendicular is 7 and base is 24, right? So now कोई भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन फाइंड करना तो आपको फॉर्मूले याद होना चाहिए, राइट? साइन कॉस 10 कॉस sin cos 10 cos sec cos sec. Now question number second. Question number second. Now given a right triangle, triangle PQR, and right angle at Q, matlab Q is 90 degree, and now there are two sides are given, and two sides is a PQ is given 12 and PR is given 13 centimeter, right? This is question number second. Now the PQ is given 12 centimeter and PR is given 13 centimeter. Third side is not given and find tan P minus cot R. कोई भी value find करनी हो, first thing now there are find the three sides. PQ is given 12 centimeter. PR is given 13 centimeter. Right? And now find the QR. First thing now find the side QR. Right? एक right triangle that is opposite to 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse, right? Opposite to 90 degree hypotenuse, right? But अगर suppose मुझे tan P की value find करनी है, तो angle P is acute angle, right? And now there are two sides, one is PQ, another is QR. Now angle P की opposite side, that means QR is perpendicular and left third side is base. यानी कि आपके पास में बेस गिवन है, हाइपोटेन्यूस गिवन है. नाउ फाइंड परपेंडिकुलर, अप्लाइड पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, एंड यू नो स्टूडेंट पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, हाइपोटेन्यूस स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर. दैट मीन्स हाइपोटेन्यूस इज PR, perpendicular is PQ and base is QR. Now PR is given square 13, that is square of 13, PQ is given 12, right? And now find QR. So now look here, that is the square of 13 is a 169, square of 12 is a 144, minus transfer kiya, that is a minus 144 equals to QR square. So what is the value of QR square? That is a 169 minus 144 is 25. So what is QR? That is 5. आपके पास 3 साइड में से 2 साइड गिवन थी, आपने थर्ड साइड फाइंड कर ली, दिस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर, राइट। बट आपको वैल्यू फाइंड करनी tan p एंड cot r की, राइट। यू नो स्टूडेंट, tan p, what is the formula of tan theta? Perpendicular upon base. And what is the formula of cot theta? Is a base upon perpendicular. But now tan theta is a perpendicular upon base, p is acute angle. So what is perpendicular, what is base? Perpendicular is QR and base is PQ. Then QR is 5 centimeter and base is 12 centimeter. That means value of tan p is a 5 by 12. Same way now find cot r, but angle r is acute angle. That means perpendicular change, right? 12 is a perpendicular and 5 is a base, right? So now base is 5 and perpendicular is 12. Then tan p is 5 by 12. Now find the value of tan p minus cot r. That means tan p is a 5 by 12 and cot r is also 5 by 12. Then is a cancel. Now the 0 is answer, right? Same कि आपके सामने थर्ड क्वेश्चन, साइन ए की वैल्यू गिवन है, साइन ए की वैल्यू 3/4 गिवन है, राइट। इसका मतलब ए इज एक्यूट एंगल, दिस इज राइट ट्रायंगल, देन ए इज acute angle, right? ABC, right? And now sin theta is a perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That means perpendicular is 3, base is, hypotenuse is 4, right? But now left hand side is a base, right? Now find the third side base. Then again applied Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Now hypotenuse is given 3, इसको ध्यान रखना, हम डायरेक्ट परपेंडिकुलर 3 बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम कि रेशियो में है, इसलिए हमेशा कोई भी कांस्टेंट सपोज करना कि व्हाट इज द परपेंडिकुलर, नॉट 3, दैट इज 3k या 3x, राइट। hypotenuse is a 4k. Now substitute is a perpendicular is 3k, that is the square of 3k plus square of 4k, and hypotenuse perpendicular is 3k and hypotenuse is a 4k. Now find base. Now look here, sin is a 3/4, perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 4. So what is base? Square of 4, 16k square, square of 3, 9k square plus base square. So now is a base square equals to 16k square minus 9k square. Then 16 minus 9, that is 7, right? And now that is the base square equals to this. So what is the base? That is the 7k root 7. अब आपके सामने बेस आ गया, परपेंडिकुलर हो गया, हाइपोटेन्यूज हो गया, एंगल इज एक्यूट एंगल, राइट। सो नाउ फाइंड, सपोज फाइंड cos A. अब cos A की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, व्हाट इज द cos A? इज द बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो व्हाट इज बेस? बेस इज गिवन k root 7 and hypotenuse is given 4k, k to k cancel, that is a root 7/4. किसी भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हो अगर आपके पास एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक की तीनों साइड गिवन हो. So student, please solve exercise 8.1. Thank you.